This is the Nissan ARIYA, and it's taking charging and range to the next level. First off, it isn't all that different from charging one of these. There are 3 levels of charging.
Let's start with the fastest way to charge, level 3. It's a 480-volt charger and can get a low battery to about 80% in 35 minutes. Level 3 also utilizes CCS connector plugs, which is the fastest growing network in the country. Level 2 is the most common option, and the type of charger you get installed at home or would find at a shopping center.
Level 1 uses your typical wall plug at home. It might not be the fastest way to charge, but it's useful in a pinch. And you can check your current charging status right here on your dash or from your mobile device. We got the basics on charging, now let's talk range. ARIYA offers 2 drivetrains and 2 battery options to suit a wide variety of needs, from daily commuting to a weekend adventure. Now let's talk planning. Got a road trip that might need a charge along the way? Nissan has Intelligent Route Planner built in, letting you know where you can charge, what level of charging is available, and the quickest route to your destination. And with the app, it's also available on your phone. We covered charging and range. Now let's cover ARIYA's power source, its battery. ARIYA features Nissan's most innovative battery technology yet. There's 2 great options. If you're a bit more economical, the 63 kilowatt-hour battery should suit your needs just fine. If you're looking for more range to go that extra distance, go with the 87 kilowatt-hour battery. But performance, range, and efficiency are nothing without durability.
Whether it's freezing cold or boiling outside, an advanced liquid-cooled thermal management system protects the battery during fast charging.
It's so reliable, Nissan backs it up with a warranty for up to 100,000 miles, or 8 years, whichever occurs first on all battery components.
Next-level battery technology and a wide range of options.
ARIYA is more than a fully electric crossover, it's a force of wonder.